What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Joubert Abraham here. And guess what? I have another video for y'all. It's gonna be crazy. All right, listen. If you know a plumber, all right, they started their own plumbing business, or they've been a plumber and they're thinking about starting their business, or you know a plumber that come to your house and take care of your business, share this video with them. Trust me, it's gonna change their life. All right, we're gonna talk about how a plumber can literally build out their whole business using AI. Crazy. All right. So to do this, I'm gonna go and start by I build out a prompt, right? Because I want AI to help me do this. So I went on Google Doc and I created a prompt right here. Create a prompt that I can use for vibe coding on a platform like HighLevel to build out a client acquisition funnel for a plumbing business that wants to automate their client. I know it's a mouthful. You can read it, right? So what we're gonna do to get the ball rolling, we're gonna grab that prompt, copy and paste. And if y'all want this, just copy and paste it or put, a comment in the box. Let me know y'all want this and I can send it to y'all because I think this can really help. All right. Next, we're going to go to ChatGPT. We want AI to give us the best prompt because sometimes we can't really figure out what prompt to use, but AI can. So why not use AI to help us? Right? It makes sense to me. So copy and paste. Let's see what AI come up with. All right. It's a plug and play. So if you never heard the term vibe coding, all that is when you use AI to build stuff for you, right? You tell it what to do and it go and do it. So instead of hiring like a web designer and a web developer and paying a gazillion dollars, you can just use this platform called HighLevel, and I have a link in the bottom. You can get a 30-day free trial through us to the link that I have on the bottom here. Use that to build something for yourself quickly. And guess what? It's only 97 bucks a month to use HighLevel. Think about what you can do for your business. It's insane. All right, so I told it to build out the prompt, right? Vibe coding prompt, plumbing client acquisition machine. And listen, if you're a plumber, you might not care about any of that. You just want more jobs. Well, if you have a good website that can funnel those clients, you're gonna get more jobs. So this is for you to help you get more jobs, plain and simple. Okay? Using AI. All right. So the prompt, build out a complete automated client acquisition funnel for a local plumbing business that generates inbound leads, instantly engage prospect, qualify them, and book jobs without manual follow-up. Think about it, right? You're a plumber, you're in the field all day, you're working with clients, you're going from place to place, your truck, or you may have two or three trucks. Y'all busy, right? And then somebody will call, you miss that call, they'll call somebody else. You just lost that money. So think about having something like this where, let's say they went to your site, that site, they can plug in their information, somebody or AI tool can follow up with them and you won't miss that opportunity. All right. So this is all this is. Okay. Capture high intent leads, respond instantly, huge, qualify the job automatically, book appointments in real time, maximize show up and job value. Right. So I won't be able to go through everything through this video, but I'm just giving you the snippet and you can kind of take it and run with it. Or if you need more help, we have a team that are high level expert that can set this whole thing up for you as well. All right. So let's keep going. This is what the landing page gonna look like. The AI response SMS system even tells you what it's gonna say. What? You have AI working for you while you're working at the job. What? Crazy. All right. It gives you an idea how it's gonna qualify the lead so you're not wasting time and be able to quote properly, categorize them by emergency, urgent, and standard, right? It could integrate with your calendar so it automatically book the calls for you. It literally gives you the full workflow. That's just step one. Now we're gonna go a step further. We're gonna do what's called optimization, right? So that may make it even better. So we're gonna copy and paste this second prompt right here, plug it in here, and now we're gonna get that emotional side of it. So somebody end up on your website from maybe your ads or Google, and they'll start reading it like, oh, this is what I need. Look at this. Got a leak or backup or no hot water? We'll fix it today without the stress. That alone capture the person's attention. All right. It's doing this in seconds. Think about how many weeks you had to spend and pay somebody thousands of dollars to build a website for you. I'm about to build this whole thing in less than 15 minutes. Right? And give you exactly what's going to be on there, how he's going to build trust, how he's going to show social proof, right? All the stuff that is going to capture to really grab the information and even the little details, right? Respond in 60 seconds because you're using AI. So you're not worried about your phone ringing because AI will take care of it, right? Speed, certainty, relief. So it literally gives you everything you want. And then you go optimization times two. So we're gonna take what just it built out for us. We're gonna literally add all that in the vibe coding prompt. Your plumbing business gonna go crazy with this. So if you have a plumbing business or you're thinking about starting one, or you have a cousin that has one, but he only has a cell phone and he doesn't have anything else, this is the way. Or you a side hustler, you trying to make some money, you could literally vibe code plumbing websites for plumbers all day, every day, and make 500 to $1,000 every time you do it. What? That's a bar right there. If you catch that, you catch that. All right, so it tells me, paste this to the AI builder. So I'm going to grab all this. That's the master prompt. All right. Everything I need is right here. That's the beauty of this thing. Copy. Boom. Then you need to have a HighLevel account. So if you don't have a HighLevel account or go HighLevel account, click the link below in the comments, right? There's a 30-day free trial. Grab that 30-day free trial so you don't even have to pay to get started. After that, you can choose the plan that you want. Depends on what you do. 97 per month is the lowest plan. Think about you running your whole business and only spending 97 bucks a month. What? All right. So let me dive right in. I'm on the HighLevel. This is their AI platform. I'm going to scroll down here and go to AI Studio. This is where the vibe coding happened. I'm literally going to paste this in here. All right. This is everything that it gives me. And then I'm going to click here and I'm going to let it vibe. Let it vibe. Let it vibe. So think about this. If you are a business owner, you're busy, you don't have time, you're probably watching this video at night and you're just trying to figure out how do I make my plumbing business better? How do I automate this thing? I'm out doing jobs all day. I'm missing out on money. What can I do to make sure that I'm capturing this market? Because I know there's business out there. This is for you because you can build something like this at your own time. And guess what? That's the starting point. Or if you need help, we have a team that can help you build this whole thing out, set up all the automations, right? We won't get a chance to go through everything. So I'm just giving you the snippet, and then you can always improve this in the back end, right? So take advantage of it. Um, Literally, like you could see it's building it out, right? It says structuring the content to minimize stress, rapid relief plumbing. That's what's gonna probably be the name. So I'm letting AI do its thing. Now, think about how powerful that is because not everybody can do this, right? So if you're not technical and you're able to copy and paste, you have amazing opportunity to take your life to the next level by just doing what I'm doing right now. Less than 15 minutes. Okay. So that's the power and the technology that we have access to. And you don't need to be technical anymore. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to go to school for 10 years to learn this. I'm showing it to you right now. Just watch this video over and over again. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, like, share, comment, share it with somebody. Let me know you like it. If you want me to do more content like this, all right? Because at the end of the day, I'm doing these content for y'all to show y'all what's possible so you can go out there and make it happen. Okay. And if you need our help after you start making it happen, you want to hire teams, you want executive assistant, you want social media, you want paid ads, you want people that can optimize the money and help you make more or save you more, like a bookkeeper and so forth, hit us up. We have a talent replacement agency where we place team members from all over the world in your business, keep your costs low, and you get access to great talent, right? So look at what's happening here on the side editing. All right. It's setting up the design, the system, and the SEO. So that means this thing can be found on Google. Think about this. This can be found on Google. And then somebody can go on this site and literally book some time to speak to you or someone in your team to get their plumbing needs taken care of. That's how powerful this is. And if you're an agency owner and you're trying to figure out what's my next move, that's your next move, my guy or my girl. All right. Let's build out the hero and paint section. So the system is building this whole thing right now. As you can see here, it's building the solution and trust section, it's building the lead capture, right? And then it's gonna put everything together. And then I'll go through it quickly so you can see it. And voila, you'll be up and running in no time. And all you have to do after that is you can keep optimizing it or you can publish it. Okay. Super simple. Optimize, publish, and you're good to go. You are good to go. So with that said, let's see how we're doing right now. All right. It's building it up. It's building it up. And if you guys like this type of content or have more questions that you don't think I've answered, don't hesitate to put it in a comment. I check the comment, right? And I'll reply. Or if you don't feel comfortable putting a comment like some folks do, DM me. My IG is in there, my LinkedIn is in there, Facebook is in there. Don't hesitate to just shoot me a DM and let's see how we can help you get this going to where it needs to be. All right. I know it takes a little bit of time. Hey, that's how you get things done, right? But think about you taking a few minutes than taking a few weeks. That's the way I look at it. That's the power of what you got available to you right now. So let's see. All right. First section is done. It's editing, it's updating, it's creating images, it's doing everything. That's fascinating. Everything is being done right now. It's just doing them one by one by one by one. It's generating images, it's figuring out the colors. And then guess what? Once it's done and you're like, ooh, you want to make some changes here and there, you can upgrade, you can change the color, you can change the form, you can add your company logo, you can customize it more to your liking. This is just the first draft. All right. So think about like you painting, and this is literally the first version of, your artwork, right? Because art is never finished. So this is what this is. Okay. It's almost there. All right. We got a couple things going. So we almost there. We got what, 3 to 4 tasks left. So that's the way to do this. It's updating the SEOs as well. So that means when somebody Google, like, think about plumbing near me or water leak, like the specific keywords, this could be one of the site that pops up. So that to me is powerful. This is how you use AI to get more jobs, plumbers. Okay. If you're thinking about AI, you're like, I don't know. Well, it's not disrupting your industry, which is amazing. So you're AI proof, but that doesn't mean you can't use AI to help your business be better, right? Because at the end of the day, the plumber that use AI and the plumber that don't use AI, the one that use AI are gonna actually win because they can be more efficient, they can be faster, They can do more, they can test more. All right. It's a tool. So don't see it as you don't need it. See it as a tool that can really help you optimize your business and to the next level, really. So if you're a plumber or you work with a plumber or you the marketing team for the plumber or you trying to help plumbers, um, this is one of the way that you can really maximize that opportunity to make it work. All right. So as this is developing, it's taking a little bit longer. Probably there's a lot more people using the LLM. So once it's ready, I'm gonna share it with you so you guys able to see what's happening. All right, as you can see here, it's still loading. I speed it up a little bit, right? But we almost there. See, it's building everything out. Complete high conversion client acquisition. So it's us finalizing the layout and the SEO integration. And boom, I'm gonna click on preview so you guys can see what it looks like in real life. Voila, beautiful. Think about this. You're able to build something like this in less than 20, 25 minutes, less than an hour. That's insane. And all you have to do there is we could get the pictures replaced. We can optimize a little bit more. This is kind of like the first iteration of it. And then if you click on Get Help Now, plug in the phone number, John, right? And then put the zip code, select the issue, clogged drain, no hot water, toilet backup, sewer line issue. Let's say toilet backup. Boom. Get my fast response. Right? Is this actively leaking right now? Yes. Property type, residential. All right. And this is the qualifying plug. And then boom, you can book an appointment right there and then today or this evening. That's the power of this. Somebody come to your site and literally go through this process. Don't talk to anybody, book an appointment. You get a text and you send you or your team to on site to take care of them. That's all this is about. So if you like this type of content, you want to see more of them, like, comment, and share this video. Let me know your thoughts. This is just the first version. Now think about when you lay over all the different text and email automation in the back end so that it stays on top of these people consistently while you out in the field doing the actual work. Golden, golden. All right. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. Like and subscribe to our channel. Think about it. 92% of people that watch these videos haven't subscribed yet. So do me a huge favor and subscribe to this channel. That means a lot to me. Thank you again for your time. Cheers.